Namaste children. Today we are going to see the continuation of Chapter 5 Count Functions in LibreOffice Calc. In last class we discussed Introduction of LibreOffice Calc. Today we are going to see about the count functions and formulas. There are 4 count functions: count, count A, count if and count blank. How to use in spreadsheet according to your formula. You can see one by one in your spreadsheet. Now you can see the spreadsheet. I can make 10 datas in this spreadsheet. First column is serial number and second column name and third one is marks. Here first function is count function. So what is count function? The function counts the number of numeric entries in the given range of values. So here they will enter only numeric entries. They counted only the numeric entries. You can see, count yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many count functions? 8 entries only they counted. That is the count function. Remaining 2 will be left out. That is, one is absent, one is empty cell. They will not counted these 2 datas. Remaining 8 datas will be entered because they entered the values. Can enter the values in the cells. So it will counted in the entries. And second one, count A function. What is count A function? The function counts the number of values in a given list of argument. In this data you can see in count function what will do, they entered only the numbers. Here they enter the datas. How many entries enter the datas? How many datas filled in the data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Venu is a empty data. There is no data filled in that data. So they will left out only one data. Remaining all will be filled in that data. So total number of count A function is 9. 9 datas will be entered in the list of arguments. Count function, there is 8 datas will be counted. And third function is count blank function. So what is count blank? Counts the number of blank cells. So there is no data should be entered in that cell. So you can count where is the empty datas. Yes, here Venu is the no datas should be entered in that cell. So only one blank cells in that count blank. So next one is count if function. It is used to count the number of times a specified value as a criteria has been repeated within the specified range of cells. So here the formula equal to count if range comma criteria. So what is range? The range of cells that you want to count the data. What is criteria? A condition that must be met for cell counting. There is 6 conditions we have used in that countif function: equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. These all operators must be enclosed in quotation marks, that is double quotes, and we can use the ampersand symbol. If you add value and operator, you can use it. By default formula is will be used equal to the value of criteria. So you can see the data how to apply in that formula. Equal to countif range D5 to D14. And next one is criteria. I use the greater than in quotation marks and the ampersand 90. What is the criteria? What is the condition I have applied in the data? Greater than 90. How many greater than 90? We'll check in that data. Count how many greater than 90? 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 4 data got greater than 90. So we can check one more conditions in that formula. We can erase and how many sentences got in that. How many sentences we got in the data? 3 sentences. So totally 1, 2, 3. 3 students got centum. Likewise, you can apply in this 6 conditions in countif function. So I hope you all understand this count function. Thank you, children.